Thank you for viewing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today we're going to be focusing on replacing brushes inside a vacuum motor. This should be done once a year as your general maintenance. In order to remove the vacuum motor, we're going to loosen up the two 1/4 20 nuts, one here and one here. And once those are removed, unplug the vacuum motor, remove the hose, and you can simply take the entire assembly and pull it out to work on your bench. Now that the vacuum motor is removed from the machine, we can start to remove the vacuum motor from the housing. To do this, we're going to take the 4 screws out of the vacuum motor and remove the motor from the housing. With the vacuum motor removed from the machine, we can now begin disassembly. The first thing we will want to disassemble is the housing on top of the fan. We can do this with a screwdriver, taking the retaining clips and bending them slightly back and removing the fan housing. Be very careful when you remove to watch your retaining clips don't get caught on your motor brushes. Once the housing has been removed, we can begin to remove the wire for the motor brush itself. We can do this by inserting the screwdriver just against the wire on the brush, slightly prying out. Once complete, we can then remove the retaining clips. Once the retaining clips have been removed, simply lift up on the brush and pull it out. And this is the perfect time to now clean your vacuum motor. Once your vacuum motor has been cleaned and you've removed both brushes, it is time for reassembly. We want to make sure with the new brushes we pay close attention to the nipple on the bottom of the brush and the hole in the top of the brush where your wire will actually connect. First thing we want to do is start to insert the brush on the armature. And connect our wire. Once the wire is connected, we can then insert the brush and place the nipple inside the guard. Finally, place the retaining clip on top of the brush and insert your screws. Once the retaining clips have been secured, we finally want to put the guard back on the fan housing, being very careful not to damage the clips on top of the brushes. You are now ready to reinstall your vacuum motor in your machine.